too. We are in the second video of today, and we are in a haunted hospital. I have to go across the room. So we unexpectedly dropped into the basement, and we had trouble getting out again. There we are. There's the stairs. Let's see. Is that going to do us any good? Yes, it did take us. And we finally found the ghost. Ain't that lovely? This is not the spookiest. You can look out here and see the monster. The monster. It's the Monster Mash. It's a graveyard smash. I understand you can get avatars that big. Oh, there's 2 of them now. That's cool. Yeah. This year they have all sorts of cool things. This is the Athens Asylum. This is the asylum that we are in. Yeah. I certainly wouldn't enter any such building on my own. I mean, gosh, in real life? Are you nuts? Oh, wait, what's over here? Something green. It's just changing color. This looks like the... Oh, there's baby. So this baby is with us. Now, I'm definitely not going into any bathrooms. Oh, there's a couch. Okay, I will sit on the couch. Let's see what happens to him when he sits on the couch. Of course, when he gets up, mother and baby are going to rush in after him. So it's nothing very much. Yeah. There they are. They weren't too much of a rush. I'm kind of scared to go in anywhere. I think my yeah, elevator. Let's use the stairs. Oh, wait. Do we get to see a ghost now? What happened to that ghost? I don't see the ghost anywhere. It's so dark. Weren't for Mother's bright face, wouldn't be able to see anything. We're going to turn on some lights. How about we select sunset, just so we can see where we're going. Yeah, it didn't really improve it much, did it? Okay, I think the textures are just dark, so might as well go all the way to midday. They'll still be horrid. You see, the textures are just dark. Dark. Can't really see much. These are cells. I was a minister. I ministered to people in places not quite this bad, but oh, there's a tentacle. But bad enough. Hard to think that people really do waste away their lives in places of such unmitigated horror. Well, I have, for one, seen enough. So I'm going to go back to where I came from. Yes. Oh, there's the ghost. We finally saw the ghost. Cool. That's what I've been wanting to see all along. And there was something else up there. The way they... Good. This is... Yeah, we come out this way. And then this way. Wheelchair. I think baby is stuck somewhere. Okay, I'm going to have to do it again because baby is not cooperating with us. There it is. Excuse me a moment. There. Now we can proceed. I think that's an actual player there. Here we go. Oh, it's one of those, huh? It's going to teleport us to someplace. Okay, and then mother too. I'm not going to have baby in there. There, just the two of us. Baby can wait outside. Okay, click the res vehicle. Ah, there it is. Oh. Mother, oh, baby is in here. Okay. At least it directs our path. So I hope you saw that. I'm in a coffin. Well, at least it will direct our path. And after the ride, I can. Oh, hello. Good to see you. I can teleport the others to me. Oh, hello. Another one. Got this. You should see a doctor about that skin condition. What are these rats? I don't quite get what they're trying to do here. Oh, here we go. On these, oh, dude, put some clothes on. With these, rides in fire, with these rides in Second Life, it's yeah, mother and baby, they're stuck back there. They weren't able to quite follow. It's best just to let it run. No, don't try to look around. I mean, okay, now here we go. Oh, there they are. There they are. Yeah. So if baby's with us, that means mother is with us. This isn't the best. Yeah, I haven't seen much better ones. Look at the big head. Hi. Waving hi. That's a nice looking hand. Is that hand waving goodbye? And there's another pool of blood. Mother and baby are stuck somewhere. As I said, we can teleport them to us. Flamethrower. Yeah. I don't know what it's doing. I think maybe there's a texture that's supposed to resolve, but it won't. There's a spider ahead of us. There we go. Pardon me? Yeah, mother and baby is stuck somewhere. Another spider. If you have a specific fear of spiders, it would be quite alarming, I suppose. I have seen so many things in my 64 years that... just another spider. Oh, a clown! Aww. Now what? That looks like a door. Oh, here we go. Now, that's there. I can stand. And then, let's see, mother and baby. Yes. They weren't far. Uh-huh. Yes, okay. I got to get baby out of there. Okay, how you doing now? Yeah, she's out.